Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you do well by clicking on the subscribe button. Like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. And also do well to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. By the way, we will be expecting NFP news tomorrow, which is for the 8th of December. And we'll probably look to take the trade probably, or we'll share one or two ideas on what you should be watching out for on NFP, which I'm going to share on the Telegram group. So if you are interested, you can join the group. I probably might share it if in case you're interested. I'll be sharing one or two things you might want to learn there on Telegram. Now, take a look at this gold. You can see that at first gold was literally going bullish, right? It was going bullish. Now it has literally dropped, broke this trend line, right? So it pushes up. We add this drop, right? If you take a look at this moment, you see that gold is literally ranging within this level right here. We can see we are ranging within this level. So markets can do anything. Either it could start dropping below or it will start pushing up. Depends on the NFP news that would come out tomorrow. On the technical aspect of this is there is an indecision movement currently playing out on gold. Gold is currently giving us an indecision movement. Now, when it comes to the fundamental aspect of this, we can't really tell what the news would say, but let's watch out for what NFP will say. If it will come out well on USD, then let's see that probably gold might drop. If it will not come out well, I mean there is low in employment rate. There is low employment rate. It means USD will fall, right? That will make gold to actually push up. So let's see what NFP would be giving us tomorrow. Do not forget to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.